So I started applying for jobs with the public sector. At the time, I had the skill developed. If you're passionate about something, you're going to put your heart and soul into it and keep learning. Like when I was going home, I was just searching small things. How do you install Photoshop? How do you activate this? How to use the command line. So I was excelling at that. And I would apply for 3 jobs. And back then, I thought the interviews were more aggressive back then than they are now. So like the first 3 interviews I did, what you would do is you would take a PC apart and you had to point like, okay, what's the CPU? What's RAM? What's the power supply? What's the purpose of this? And if you can't do all that, you don't make it to the second interview where you actually talk face to face and have a conversation. So I did 3 interviews, 3 follow-up interviews, missed them all. I came in second every time.
Sure,
So
so
I'm
that
not gonna
changed a
lie to
lot
you.
now from the industry that we're at right now. Everything's through Zoom or calls, so that's a big
Yeah,
change from the.
yeah, and it's easier to fluff it now. I mean, unless you know the game, and when I used to interview people, I can tell if they're BSing me or not. But I think with just straight Zoom and asking people quiz questions, it's honestly easy to fluff it. And back then, it wasn't like that because if like you're working on desktop, you're working on hardware. If you can't point out the hardware, which is going to include in the job, then why should you even make it to the second interview? But fortunately, so after I didn't get any of those 3 jobs. I came in second every time. So I was a little bit, obviously upset about it and like, this sucks. Fortunately, one of the persons that interviewed me, he called me and gave me some advice on things I had to tighten up. Like he knew functionally I'd probably be the best person for the job, but I just wasn't good at interviewing. So like he gave me some good advice, like, give clear examples, give more details, give the results of the projects you worked on. Like, don't just say like, I imaged a PC for 1,000 teachers.